Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious meatballs for pho. First, choose high-quality ground beef, preferably an 80% lean blend, for optimal flavor and texture. Next, finely mince fresh garlic, shallots, and ginger to infuse your meatballs with aromatic depth. Finally, measure out your fish sauce, a touch of sugar, and freshly ground black pepper to season the mixture perfectly. These initial steps are crucial for building a flavorful foundation. Once your ingredients are prepped, combine the ground beef, aromatics, and seasonings in a large bowl. Now, the key is to knead the mixture vigorously for about 5 to 7 minutes. This process develops the protein, making the meatballs springy and firm. You'll notice the mixture becoming quite sticky. After kneading, gently roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, aiming for about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. Consistency ensures even cooking. With your meatballs shaped, it's time to cook them. Bring a pot of water or your preferred pho broth to a gentle simmer. Avoid a vigorous boil. Carefully drop the meatballs into the simmering liquid, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Cook them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until they float to the surface and are thoroughly cooked. This gentle poaching method keeps them tender and flavorful, ready to absorb the rich pho broth. Your homemade pho meatballs are now ready to enjoy. Simply add them to your steaming bowl of pho broth and noodles. Don't forget to garnish generously with fresh herbs such as cilantro and thinly sliced green onions for an extra burst of flavor and aroma. These tender, savory meatballs truly elevate your pho experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.